Greetings, aviation fans! Get ready to discover an ultra-luxurious flying palace that redefines VIP travel. Be sure to like and subscribe to join us on today's journey aboard the one and only Airbus A350-900 VIP. As one of aviation's most elite personal jets, this aircraft's capabilities empower discerning owners to customize a mansion in the sky catering to their every flight need. Through expert craftsmanship and leading technology, the A350 VIP cabin offers virtually endless configuration options paired with peerless comfort. We invite you to explore the pinnacle of private air travel innovation alongside us during this special tour. The Airbus A350-900 entered service in 2015 as one of the world's most advanced wide-body airliners. But luxury aviation firm Airbus Corporate Jets quickly unveiled an ultra-exclusive VIP version for elite heads of state and those seeking an unparalleled private flight experience. This VIP variant takes luxury air travel to new heights through extensive customization options tailored to the owner's preferences. With capacity for 100 passengers, the cabin layout focuses on comfort, with options for lounges, offices, bedrooms, and more. The virtually endless customization empowers owners to create a highly personalized interior aligned with their luxury tastes and technical needs. With nearly double the interior space of traditional private jets, the A350 VIP cabin offers owners practically unlimited customization. As one of the highest-end personal flying mansions, this jet can be divided into multiple sections like lounges, offices, conference rooms, bedrooms, and lavish bathrooms. Most owners configure the interior for just 25 guests, but it actually has the immense capacity to carry a party of 100 in true luxury. The ultra-spacious design enables owners to incorporate any interior element imaginable without compromise. Supporting extensive partition walls, smart infrastructure, and powered furniture, the open architecture welcomes endless layout permutations. And even during the largest private events with guests numbering in the double digits, the immense cabin capacity sustains roominess and comfort for all. Now, one famous A350 VIP owner is the House of Thani ruling family of Qatar. In 2016, their flagship carrier Qatar Executive took delivery of this model as the new Qatar Emiri Flight Royal Jet. Bearing a spectacular interior design with intricate patterns and ornate accents, this plane, dubbed Al Rayyan, now flies the Emir of Qatar around the world on state visits. With a jaw-dropping price tag surpassing $200 million, it reflects the country's national pride as a symbol for Qatar's status on the global stage. The lavish royal jet serves as an extension of the Emir's luxurious palaces, allowing him to travel in utmost comfort and style. Its regal interior and ultra-premium finishes elevate the flying experience to new heights, rivaling the extravagance of a private superyacht. As the flagship of the Qatar Emiri fleet, it advances the nation's aviation leadership through groundbreaking innovation. What makes the A350 VIP so cutting edge? With an exceptionally spacious design, owners have nearly endless options for bespoke configurations tailored down to the finest details. This VIP layout, combined with leading flight capabilities, enables an unparalleled experience. For flights potentially lasting over 20 hours, the A350 VIP features extra amenities, so passengers arrive feeling refreshed and productive. As one of the most advanced VIP aircraft ever developed, it establishes new benchmarks for long-range comfort. A lowered cabin altitude, higher humidity, and hospital-grade air filtration create an environment surpassing any commercial airliner. Customizable ambient lighting, temperature zones, and sound insulation further promote health and wellness over extended journeys. As one of the most advanced VIP aircraft ever produced, the A350 delivers a smooth, serene journey that attracts the world's VIP travelers. Starting with a specially lowered cabin altitude, higher humidity, and hospital-grade filtration paired with sound insulation, the interior promotes health and comfort better than any commercial plane. Ambient lighting and temperature zones also establish the perfect environment. The aircraft systems sustain optimal conditions for productivity, relaxation, and rejuvenation no matter the length of flight. An intelligent sensor network adapts settings like circulation and humidity for each passenger area and phase of travel. This smart environment carefully safeguards wellness so guests disembark feeling refreshed even after nearly a full day aloft. Given its sheer size and special capability enhancements, many clients choose the A350 VIP as their new primary long-range jet. With 300 cubic meters of cargo capacity, it accommodates any number of passengers while bringing everyone's luggage, plus limitless cargo like vehicles and supplies. This enables owners to centralize travel logistics around the capabilities of their new flying mansion. And range maps show just how many global destinations become accessible with the A350 VIP's 8,000 nautical mile reach. The immense cargo hold allows transporting entire motorcades of vehicles to any global destination, eliminating reliance on local transportation. For extended trips, the aircraft can autonomously supply itself with extra fuel, food, and other provisions needed over long periods far from home base. With such logistical independence, the aircraft unlocks transportation abilities previously only possible through ownership of multiple aircraft types. Now let's look closer at some amazing features that help custom tailor this jet. What kinds of options stand out the most for luxury clients? Starting inside the living areas, many Middle Eastern customers desire a majestic palace-like environment. This means installations like exquisite bedrooms with king or queen-sized beds, walk-in closets, and vanities to rival five-star hotels. Spa-inspired bathrooms invite relaxation with roomy showers, soaking tubs, and premium amenities. Extending the spa concept further, some owners add private massage rooms for in-flight pampering. For diplomats and executives, security and productivity also rank as top priorities. So the A350 design incorporates conference areas, optimized for private meetings and sensitive discussions. With noise-reducing partitions and mobile furnishings, the office sets an exclusive stage conducive to focused work and negotiations. State-of-the-art technical finishes facilitate secure communications and multimedia displays. Owners can choose installations like encrypted networks, signal-blocking shielding, and anti-eavesdropping white noise generators for total privacy assurance. Video teleconferencing and global comms systems empower connectivity anywhere in the world, keeping business flowing smoothly even mid-flight. And with ample interfaces for laptops, printers, and files, the private office drives productivity to new levels. In lounge zones, wellness and entertainment help passengers socialize and unwind. Cinemas with cinema-scale viewing, gaming, and relaxation during extended flights. And open galleys allow chefs to prepare multi-course meals on demand, not pre-packaged food. With the right culinary team on board, the dining competes with top restaurants. The extensive lounge also houses a juice bar and cafe, providing refreshing beverages and light fare 24/7. Attentive cabin crew enhance leisure time by handling any dining or amusement requests. And with fully personalized content services from movies to music, passengers enjoy their favorite entertainment in surround sound comfort. Ultimately, the A350 VIP's spacious, smooth performance makes this jet the new flagship for ultra-high net worth individuals. The sheer scale empowers owners to incorporate any interior whim and complex preference. As private aviation continues advancing further in luxury, the A350 promises an elite caliber of prestige and refinement for globetrotting VIPs. With such an expansive canvas supporting personalized expressions of identity and taste, the aircraft ushers in a new era for prestigious travel. Each detail, from sleeping suites to entertainment fixtures, makes a unique lifestyle statement. And by mastering the aircraft's full potential, owners can fulfill almost any flight-related extravagance through onboard features and amenities. Thanks for watching our tour of this incredible flying mansion. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for our next private jet showcase.